In this episode, I'm trying something totally new for my hair. Oh my gosh, don't even look at my hair right now. What the heck did I even put? I've heard good stuff about it, so I'll show you, and if I like it, I'll for sure say yes. If no, I'll for sure say no. So let's see my hair right now. It looks like
a lot of hair.
I'm afraid if I put my hair down, I won't be able to dry properly. They should have that as a ticket. Like,
if you dry with all that hair, here's a ticket.
It wouldn't surprise me. I'm going to Rosina's salon. It's my little hidden gem. Did I just miss it? No, I didn't. I was supposed to do it myself, but I'm a wrong person to show you how it's done when it comes to, especially when it comes to hair. I'm always afraid I'm going to do something wrong. I'm a little bit paranoid, so that's why I'm going to the hairdresser. But this isn't actually a kit to do it home. For clumsy people like myself, just take it to the hairdresser. It literally takes as much time as the regular shampoo and conditioner. Actually, it saves your time. Here we are at my favorite hair salon. My neighbors, they're the best on the west. So we're about to try it. Like I said, you do it home, but for clumsy people like me, you do it in a hair salon. Oh my God, how I miss this salon. I'm so happy they reopened. You have no idea. Let me double check the steps. Step number 2, put in sections and apply this PP long stocking in making.
Oh, sorry.
It has to be left on your hair for 40 minutes, and then you rinse like 50% of it. You do the blow dry after this, and then you flatten your hair, and it stays like for 3 months.
Oh, it's easy.
Remember? See you in 40 minutes. So this is about it, and I hope you like it. It's like, I feel like Raquel Welch. I'm gonna kidnap her right now after this. Oh my God, amazing. So now, the last step is to flatten, right?
So only blow, right? No flat actually.
Yeah, I don't like to, but it says like a third step to be flattened, but I like it like this. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I didn't want to do it too flat because my hair is already, somewhere in between, So what do you think about the product?
What do you think?
Honestly, yeah? Yeah, I mean, I feel that it's softer. So, just I have huge hair, so I already spent this product, but I probably will have it in different sizes, I believe so. Nice. And I'll also upload some stuff on my Instagram. It doesn't hurt at all. It's, This is better than Anastasia Beverly Hills. Sorry guys, I have to say that. Thank you. Crazy. How it looks like. As you see, this is for my shade. I'll leave all the info in the description of this video. Oh, what a change, huh? Can you recognize that person at the beginning of the video? Exactly. So I'm driving to get an ice cream. Very important information. And it's sunny outside. I can't move my phone because I'm charging it, so that's why I'm talking from this weird angle. But even from this weird angle, the hair looks amazing thanks to this product. To be honest with you, I was really skeptical. I was kind of like, I don't know, like I'm very, very careful what I'm putting on my hair concerning the fact that I don't dye my hair and I'm just trying to have it as natural as possible. So this is definitely a pass, It really gets your hair softer. I gotta be honest with you. My phone is gonna die. It's a really good stuff. And because my hair is too long, I spent all the product. And so I'll leave all the info in the description box of this video, and I'll also upload it the reel on Instagram. So I'm driving now to get some ice cream, and that's it. Tomorrow I'll be working on set, which unfortunately I cannot film. But I wish I could, because it's kind of like it's pretty cool to, to do the body double to one very well-known actress, which I don't want to disclose in this video. It's gonna sound like bragging, which I obviously do. But yeah, I also have to surprise you especially those of you that are from Serbia or ex-Yugoslavia. I'm making a song and I was like, should I record it or not? Yeah, I will. When I'm gonna do it, I really don't know, but I'll try to do it as soon as possible because I am working on a few movie projects, so I don't know. I think I'll have time for it. The song is in works right now. You have no idea. Like, I stayed in a salon for another 1 hour. I was like, you know, doing my eyebrows and just, you know, talking to Rosina. She's an amazing lady. I love talking to super nice, successful ladies. It's just an amazing thing. Speaking of that, I miss my mom. Speaking of that one. Alright, folks. I'm kind of tired of talking to myself. It looks weird. Woohoo! These people breaking traffic in LA. Anyway. Bye-bye, and I'll see you around. See you on Instagram Live.